Hey everyone, welcome to Family's Tech Course. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statements. Let's get started. So first, let's look at the basic if statement syntax. The syntax is if condition colon, then we'll be writing the statements for this if block. Okay, so firstly, conditional statements are nothing but which will help our program make decisions based on certain conditions. For example, if you are hungry, you will eat. Otherwise, you will not. And Python works the same way. For example, let's declare a variable named age and assign a value 18 to it. Now, we'll write a code which will check if age is greater than 18 or no. Okay, if age is greater than 18, then it will print you are an adult. Okay, so we are writing uh, a condition here. If age is greater than or is equals to 18, then the statement is print you are an adult. You are adult. Okay, so this is the basic syntax. So since our age is 18 and we are checking for the condition age is greater than or is equals to 18, so this condition will return true. If true, we are printing the result you are adult. Okay, so this is the basic if statement. If the condition is true, the code inside the block will run. Okay, now let's look at if else statement. Okay, so now we'll be writing an else statement as well. That means if this condition is false, if age is greater than is or is equals to 18 is false, then this statement will not get executed and the statement in the else block will get executed. Okay, so we'll be writing a print statement here that you are not an adult. Okay, let's change this value to 16. Now let's run this code. Our age is 16 now. So if age is greater than or is equals to 18, 16 is not greater than or is equals to 18. So this block will not get executed now. So if condition is false, now the else statement will get executed. So it is printing that you are not an adult. Okay, so this is how if else will work. Now we'll look at if, elif and else. Okay, if you want to check for multiple conditions, then you can use this elif condition. So let's take another example where we are having marks. Let's assign a value 75 to marks. And if we'll be checking for the condition if marks is greater than or is equals to 90, we'll print grade A. If marks are greater than 75, we'll print grade B. Otherwise, grade C. Okay. So if marks is greater than or is equals to 90, print A. Okay. And we are checking for another condition here that if marks are greater than or is equals to 75. So we'll be writing elif statement here. Elif marks greater than or is equals to 75 will be printing grade B. Okay, if this condition is also false, then else block statements will get executed. That is print grade C. Okay, so how this code will get executed is first it checks for this condition marks is greater than or is equals to 90. Here 75 is greater than or is equals to 90. This condition is false. So it will jump for the next condition. Marks is greater than or is equals to 75. This is true. So print of B. This statement will get executed and your result will be B grade. Okay. So this is all about conditional statements.